Alright friends, I know this is silly and it seems totally different, but we're going to go ahead and get started with our day, okay? Alright, here we go. So, we're in class, we come in and we put our book bags in our cubbies and then we sit on the carpet, but we're not going to do that stuff today because we don't have any book bags or cubbies. So instead, we're just going to get started with our song. We'll just sing a little bit of it to get ourselves started, okay?
For a child's heart, body, and mind. Greetings from the award-winning CD.
You remember this one?
Boogie Boosters by The Learning Station.
There is something fun we can do when we meet. Some are silly, some are proper ways to greet. Stand up tall, find a friend, stick out your right hand. Go find mommy, daddy, sister. Look them in the eye. Turn your head from side to side. With a silly, almost proper sideways high. Good morning. Buenos dias. What's up? It's a great day. I'm thankful to be with you. Good morning. Buenos dias. What's up? I'm happy to feel this way, feel this way, feel this way. All right, so we're happy to feel this way today, but we're going to go back and get started on our regular routine. So now it's time for you to stand up. So let's stand up. We're going to look at the flag on the screen. Put your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, friends. So, let's see. Yesterday was Sunday. Good. Yesterday was Sunday, which means today is Monday. Good job. Today is Monday. So we're going to go ahead and move that. And if today is Monday, that means tomorrow is Tuesday. Good job, friends. It's Tuesday tomorrow. So today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. Let's count to find out what today is, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today is the 6th. It is April 6th. The last time I saw you, it was March, but it is now April 6th. All right, moving on. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? All right, I'm going to give you a second to go look out the window, okay? I'm going to count back from 10 to 0. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so you're back. And what's the weather like outside today? Excuse me. If I'm looking outside, it is rather bright out there. So, do we think it's snowing outside? No, it's not snowing. That's so silly. It's not snowing outside. Let's see. Is it super duper cloudy outside today? I don't think so either. How about a lot of sunshine today? Yeah, there's been a lot of sunshine today. Today is Monday, and there is a lot of sunshine outside today. All right, we'll keep going. Oh, we don't need to do the shape song, but we are going to say our ABCs. Ready? I'm going to point and you're going to say them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay. Let's do some shape review this morning. All right. So we have, let's see. All right. I'm going to put my mouse over a shape just like we do on the carpet. You ready? Okay. 3. Let's move me up here. All right. We'll move you over here. Sorry, I needed to make some adjustments. Okay. So we have a bunch of different shapes. Let's look. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Triangle. It's a triangle. A triangle has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. What color is that triangle? Brown. Yes, it's brown. Okay. Now 3, 2, 1. What's this shape over here? Does anybody know what this shape is? It's a long one. Octagon. Good job. An octagon has 8 sides. 8 sides on an octagon. All right, one more. 3, 2, 1. What's that shape? That's a heart. That's a heart. Yes, it is. All right, let's move on. We'll review the other shapes another day. Oh, we ready to count? Okay, gotta stand up again. Raise your hands. Do a dance. Do a dip. Wiggle your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Raise your hands. Do a dance. Do a dip. Wiggle your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Raise your hands. Do a dance. Do a dip. Now everybody sit. All right, now we're all going to sit back down. Perfect. All right. All right. Oh, we need to review our number of the week. So this was our number of the week when we left. So we're going to review it again, okay? So this is the number 10. It's the number 10 right here. What number is this? 10. Let's count together. Touch and counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 circles there, and that is the number 10. Let's look at our other numerals. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now let's count back, okay? Let's count back from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Oh, and we need to go over the letter of the week. So we're going to be doing the letter U this week. And I sent mommies and daddies and moms and pop-ups and guardians these worksheets, okay? So if you look here, I've got a worksheet here that says the letter U. It's all about the letter U. And it's easier for me to just look at our mat man right here, just so that you can see what I'm doing. So here's our mat, right? That's our mat. When we're making the letter U, it's going to go something like this. And I want you to follow along, okay? So I'm going to make sure mommies and daddies also get this mat so that you can print and use this as well. I don't think I've sent it to you yet, but I'm going to as soon as I'm done recording this. So, letter U. Letter U just starts at the top. Up at the top. And it's a big line down, turn all the way around, big line up. What's the name of that letter? U. That is the letter U. U. So we're going to start. Let's do it again. Big line down, turn all the way around, big line up, and that's the letter U. What letter is that? U. U makes the sound. Makes the sound. What sound does U make? Good job. What's the name of our letter this week? U. So my parents, like I said, I have attached these. I sent them on Dojo. If you just want to have them practice tracing with their finger the letter U, and then also they can color in these umbrellas because umbrella starts with the letter U. They can color those in. You also have this coloring sheet included, and that is also all about the letter U and umbrella. All right, so that is all about the letter U. We do have a quick little video, but I will attach it in the comments so that parents can go watch it themselves, so with their child. So I will put all the links to all of our songs and also to all of our, well, basically to all of our songs so that you can go watch them on YouTube. I don't want to get in any copyright infringement with anyone who has worked very hard to put their videos on YouTube. So I will put all of the links in the comments of this video. Alright, and then next is our nursery rhyme, which is another review for us because we had started this before we left, but it's, hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon, the little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. That's our nursery rhyme. And then we have music, but like I said, I will attach those links to the comments or the description below this video so that parents can look at them themselves. And then the next thing I'm going to do is our read aloud, so stay tuned.